Are you facing an issue where Instagram group chat is not working on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram group chat not working on iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Then, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try turning on and off airplane mode. First, close Instagram app. Turn off VPN if connected. If still you are facing the issue, try advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser on your iPhone. Next, tap on the search box and type downdetector.com without any space. Then, tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now search Instagram. Next, tap Instagram from here. Then scroll down. Here, you can see whether the Instagram app is officially down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Check for sensitive content blocks. Open up the Instagram app. Then, tap on your profile icon below. Next, tap on the 3-line icon from the top right corner. Then, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Content Preferences. Next, tap on Sensitive Content. Here, make sure sensitive content is set to standard. If it's set to less and someone in the group sends a flagged link or photo, the entire chat may become unavailable to you. But if you still are facing the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Offload Instagram app. Open up the settings. Then, tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Instagram app. If you don't find the Instagram here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on Instagram. Then, tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall. Go to Home screen. Tap and hold the Instagram icon. Now, tap Remove app. Then, tap Delete. Again, tap Delete to confirm deletion. Now, go to the App Store and install this app again. Hope your issue is fixed now. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.